What's up? Today I want to do something a little bit different than I normally do. And today we're going to be talking about a smart lock by Darwiff or something like that. So we have four different features. We have the key. So let me get my key out. So you got the key function like that. And then you also got, we have the fingerprint, which I can lock the door just like that. Well, unlock the door just like that. And then if I want to lock the door, I do my fingerprint and then I press lock. And even though it said failed, it still works with your fingerprint. So unlock, wait till it's done, and then lock the door back. I can also lock and unlock the door this way. It makes a sound every time you lock and unlock it. It also tells you that it's locked and unlocked, as you heard a few seconds ago. So I can also use the keypad. That also makes sounds. Or like I said, it'll tell you unlock or locked. There you go. So that's how it works. Then also I have access to be able to do it also with my phone. So these are four different ways of accessing a smart lock. So what comes in the box? You get the smart lock with all the features. You also get this door handle. And then on the back, you also get this. Every time you lock it from it, you also get the handle on the other side. So that's everything that comes with this smart lock. And this became an amazing steal that I found on Amazon. I'll link in this video description. Coming at $49 plus tax. It was like $54 and some change. But I'll leave the link and you can check it out. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.